Hey, what's up, everybody? This is gonna be a little update video. This is on a new camera. As you can probably tell, the quality is a lot better. My old camera decided it wanted to stop working. So it won't even come on, even though it's fully charged. But yeah, I do have like 5 or 6 pre-recorded videos on this memory card, so I ain't going to upload those. So any videos you see that aren't in better quality, like this video, will be off this camera and off this memory card. But yeah, so it's decided to stop working one day, like a couple days ago, randomly, and it did me good it's a good camera for me for about 5 years, so I can't complain. I don't guess. But I also got 5 packs to open up. But first, this is a weird thing. I went in Walmart and grabbed 6 Sun and Moon blisters, the ones in the cardboard, and one of them had a steam siege back in it. Like, it was a cardboard blister of Sun and Moon, but had a steam siege, which is weird. So yeah. And also, I think I have a schedule set in stone finally. I'm going to release a video on Tuesday that doesn't have anything to do with the newest set. So say, a collection box that has, a Guardians Rising pack in it. I'll open that on Friday, and then say I'll get like something older to open on Tuesday. Something not currently that's been released. So yeah, new camera, new schedule, videos on Tuesday and Friday. So that's what you can expect. Videos from me on Tuesday and Friday. New camera. So I got 6 packs to open. So I'll save the Steam seats for last because it was weird. This will just want me a test video for my new camera. See how long video I can upload on it from it. So yeah, open these packs. See how the quality of the cards look on this camera. Oh man, yes, this is great. On my old camera, you never used to be able to read that. Very nice. Alright, let's focus, please. Thank you. Got a Morelull, Skarmory, Poliwag, Sandygast, Eevee, Metal Energy Retrieval, Krokorok, Araquanid, Reverse Experience Share, which is an uncommon, and a Cloyster Rare. Like I said, I did get all these at Walmart from single blisters, and for whatever reason, this was in one of them. kind of weird, kind of rip off. There'll be something good in there. What we got? Starting off with another Morelull, Skarmory, Poliwag, Sandygast, Eevee, Dark Energy, Charjabug, Dragonair, Poison Barb, Reverse Pokeball Trainer, which is an uncommon. Ooh, a Lurantis GX Rainbow. Very nice. It's a great card to get to show off my new camera. Wow. Nice, very nice. And I should actually charge my camera before I started making a video because it's about to die. I said I got back from the store with it. Took it out of the box and set it up. Should have charged it. I don't know what I was thinking. So if this video abruptly dies, then I'm still going to upload it. Because I've done said what I had to say, so I'll try to make it through. Chinchou, Morelull, Skarmory, Caterpie, Sandygast, Water Energy, Lily, Herdier, Crushing Hammer, Reverse Stingy, which is an uncommon, and a Masquering Rare. Got a Rock and Roller, Cosmog, Fromentus, a Alolan Grimer, Toga de Maru, Reverse Bond Sweet, which is a common, Dark Energy in the wrong place, a Rare Candy. Whoa, how did I mess that up? Okay, a Pinsir, Hal, ooh, and it's a Galio GX. Very nice. It's not as worth as much as it once was when the set first came out because of that tin, but nonetheless, very good pull. Last Sun and Moon pack before that rip-off Steam Siege pack. Got a Torkoal, Rowlet, Drowsy, Cutiefly, Makuhita, Grass Energy, Hypno, Big Malasada, Stinny, Reverse Torpedo, which is a rare. Nice. And a Palasa Sand rare. Alright. Last pack, the pack that ripped me off, that was in a Sun and Moon cardboard blister. See if there's anything fishy going on with it. That's about the opposite. And it's a green code, so I don't know, that's kind of fishy Pokemon. Come on. I butchered that card trick. Oh, we got Litwick, Litaleo, Meryl, Ponyta, Dino, Volcarona, which is the rare. Yep. I butchered that card trick. Butchered it. Anorith, Monferno, Flaffy. Ooh! Okay, okay. Okay. And a Power Break. Very nice. It's a beautiful card. Alright, so I guess Steam Siege didn't rip this Steam Siege pack didn't rip me off all the way. So this is my best pull by far in this video though. So everybody, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.